In the previous videos, we discussed about level transmitter output current signal status with respect to tank level. We simulated tank level from 0% to 25%, then 50%, then 75, and finally 100%, right? So now the tank level is 100%. We will use the same concept to understand analog output. Okay, I will use the same concept. Now previously the tank level is 100%, and to drain the water inside the tank, I will use one pump. Okay, this pump speed we can control using analog output. Generally, this analog output will go to electrical substation, okay, or electrical devices like VFD, variable frequency drive. This drive will control the pump or motor power supply so that we can control the pump speed. Okay, for simple understanding, I am not discussing those things. I am just simply say the PLC analog output controls the pump speed, and the pump speed range is 0 to 1000 rpm. Here I will use percentage 0 to 100 percentage for measuring the speed of the pump so that we can understand easily. That is why I'm using percentage. Otherwise, in industries, they will use RPM only. Let's say the start is given. Without giving start, the pumps generally it will not start even though analog output is there. Okay, that is why start is given by the PLC, and operator controlling the pump manually so that he can enter the set point, the required speed on the graphics. Let's say the operator entered set point 0%. Okay, then PLC sends 4 milliamp analog output to the pump. Then the pump is started, but it will not rotate because it is still 4 milliamp only. That is why the measured speed is 0%. Okay, let's say the operator increases the set point. Set point means the required pump speed value. The operator enters the set point here. Then from the computer, the set point will go to the PLC via this communication, and the PLC receives the set point from the computer, then calculates the set point value and converts it into the current signal in the range of 4 to 20 milliamperes. Then the PLC sends that current signal to the pump. Okay, that is why this is analog output. PLC sending the analog output, sending the current signal to the output devices like pump, I mean VFD. Okay, if you don't know about VFD, no problem. Just consider like this. Based on the analog output value, the pump speed will be controlled. If the analog output is 4 milliamperes, pump speed is 0%. And when analog output is 20 milliamperes, the pump speed is 100%. Okay. For beginners, it is easy to understand. That is why I am using percentage here. Okay. Now the operator increases the set point. Okay. Now the operator given 25% set point. This set point, it will go to the PLC via communication, and then PLC calculates the equivalent analog output current value, then sends that current value to the pump. That means to the VFD. 8 milliamps is received. That is why the pump is started. Okay. That means the pump is rotating. That means there is some speed value. So the measured speed is right now 25 percentage. The water is started draining and the tank level is reducing. After some time, the tank level reaches 75 percentage. Okay. Now the operator again increases the set point. Now it is 50 percentage. The 50 percentage value they entered in the computer graphics. That 50% set point, it will go to the PLC. Again, the PLC calculates the equivalent current signal, and the current signal again it will go to the pump, which is 12 milliamperes. That is why again the speed is increased. Again water is draining out. Now the tank level reaches 50 percentage. Again operator increases the speed to 75 percentage. What happens? PLC again updates the current signal value accordingly, which is 16 milliamperes. Then the pump speed again increases. Now it is 75 percentage. Again, water level is reducing. Now the tank level is 25 percentage. Now the operator given maximum set point, which is 100 percentage of speed. PLC again calculates the current signal, which is 20 milliamperes. It will go to the pump. Then the pump speed reaches maximum value, which is measured speed is 100 percentage. Now the tank level reduces again. Now it reaches the minimum value, which is 10 percentage. Then the PLC immediately stops the pump. Okay. In industries, generally, it will not go to the 0% tank level. Okay. They will stop at minimum level, 5 percentage, 2 percentage, 10 percentage, depending on the process. Okay. That is why PLC immediately given stop command, then the pump is stopped. When the stop is given, irrespective of the analog output value, the pump will be stopped. Stop has the highest priority. Okay. So this is the concept for analog output based on 4 to 20 milliamperes. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.